When we look at the facts, the actual circumstances of what we have going on, then we can work with them. And then life becomes a little bit easier. If you say, I have 6 meals to make, I have 3 holiday parties to attend, I have X amount of gifts to buy, and I have 4 other adult or semi-adult or people with driver's licenses in my family, how many of those people can I assign to help me? Oh, that's the big one, right? Because what do women hate to do? Ask for help. But how do we make life easier on ourselves? We look at our resources, we look at our circumstances, and we say, I have this many things to do, and I have this many people that I can ask for help. Now, you got to work through your own shit of why you're not asking for help, right? We have to look at the stories of why I don't want to ask for help. They won't do it right. They are not doing it the way I want to. They'll complain about it. I hate to ask for help. I should be able to do it all myself. Right there, those thoughts are exactly what I'm talking about when I say we make life harder than it has to be.